Lacey here. Tuesday tip for you. If you love the way that a stained rustic wood looks, but you don't think it's something you could pull off, you think staining might be difficult or something, I just wanted to go over quickly how you stain, and it's really easy actually, and it's really affordable. So a stain like this, which is the one that I'm using on my fireplace, and this is actually my fireplace mantle that I built over the weekend, and I'm going to stain it, and it's going to go right over our existing really skimpy builder's grade mantle. I'm going to stain this in this Varathane wood stain in espresso. This costs like $7 maybe, and then you don't even have to have a paintbrush. This is a old sheet rag, and that's what I'm going to use. So I have a couple of them that I cut off that I use for paint rags or whatnot. So that's what I'm going to use, and definitely wear gloves when you're staining because it's going to stain your fingers and everything. So I poured a little bit of the Varathane in this container and just dunk in your sheet, your old t-shirt, your anything that you want, and literally just you want to paint it on just like this. Now the key about staining is that it's going to take to the wood really fast, so you want to make sure that you don't leave drips on it and that you get all the wood, you stay with the wood grains. You don't want to go in the opposite direction of the wood grains, and you want to make sure there's no drips. And then you're just gonna keep doing this. So dunking it in here, wringing it out, and just going over it like this. Staining is really gorgeous, and I love this stain, this Varathane stain. Just brings out, look at this already. Look at how beautiful it's bringing out all of the wood tones in here.